Let's check out some stocks on the move. Gold shares naturally hot today, generally, amid this new record high for bullion. But Stephanie Hughes of Bloomberg, the equities reporter, has her eye on Aya Gold and Silver. Stephanie, great to talk to you. What's going on with Aya, please?
Well, great to talk to you too, Andy. And so what's going on with Aya is that it's really leading the gold rally pack on the TSX today for pretty much all of the trading day today. So those shares were up over 10%, making it among the top TSX performers and bringing the stock price to its highest level since last December. And Aya is rallying for the same reason that other gold miners are rallying today. It comes simply down to the surge in gold prices. The price of gold crossed that 3,000 an ounce mark today, hitting a new record based on uncertainties such as the escalation in Middle Eastern tensions and uncertainty around where the U.S. economy could be heading over the next few months. So starting with the Middle Eastern tensions, that came from Israel launching military strikes on Hamas targets in Gaza, which is threatening to undermine an already shaky truce in the region. Traders are also taking U.S. retail data into account since it came in weaker than expected earlier this week. So both of these factors working in tandem, adding more uncertainty to what's already been quite an uncertain news cycle there, as you can probably see for yourself there, Andy, just marinating in uncertainty lately. But other gold miners on the TSX are also rising in tandem with the prices. That includes Torex Gold, Fortuna Mining, First Majestic Silver, Lundin Gold, all of your usual suspects on a risk-off environment, Andy.
TerraVest Industries, they make industrial products, stuff used to move propane and liquids and also make fiberglass tanks. They announced an acquisition that investors seem to love. What's the latest on that company?
Yeah, you could say that again, Andy. They loved it to the point where they sent that share or that stock price up by over or nearly 11% today. That led the stock price to briefly hit an all-time high. And TerraVest, like you mentioned, it's because of this big deal that the oil service company service investor said it would buy Entrans International for about $546 million. Entrans is a major North American tank trailer manufacturer, and it also operates in transportation solutions. So TerraVest said that this deal would notably add to company earnings and adjusted earnings per share. So what followed, analyst community quite liked this deal. What followed was 3 price target hikes from the likes of Canaccord Genuity, National Bank, and Scotiabank. In fact, National Bank analyst Zachary Evershed called the deal entrancing, so a little bit of wordplay from the analyst community, an entrancing acquisition, adding that it is TerraVest's largest deal to date. He also noted that he and his team see this integration opportunity and as being broad and substantial. And apparently the markets agree there, Andy, seeing that we got a brief all-time high and double-digit gains in the stock price there.
Stephanie, always great hearing from you. Thank you very much indeed. Stephanie Hughes pointing out Aya Gold and Silver up amid a super rally in the gold.